Today we're diving into BlackBox Stocks, an intriguing platform that promises to enhance your trading experience. But does it really deliver on those promises, or is it just another tool in a crowded market? Let's find out. BlackBox Stocks is designed for active traders who are looking for real-time data and alerts. At its core, the platform offers advanced charting tools and a unique screener that identifies potential trading opportunities based on various metrics. It can access live alerts on stock movements, which is a big plus for those who thrive on timely information. The user interface is relatively intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. There's also a community aspect, where users can share insights and strategies, which can be helpful for learning. However, I found some aspects of the platform a bit overwhelming, especially for newcomers. The sheer volume of information can be daunting, and it's not always clear how to filter out the noise. Overall, while it's a powerful tool for traders, it may require a bit of a learning curve to fully utilize its features. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, BlackBox Stocks offers a wealth of real-time data and a vibrant community, which can be invaluable for making informed decisions. The alert system is particularly useful for those who want to act quickly on market movements. However, there are some downsides. The pricing can be a sticking point. It's not the cheapest option available, and some users might find it hard to justify the cost without a solid trading strategy. Additionally, the interface, while feature-rich, can feel cluttered and may overwhelm new users. If you're a casual trader, you might find it excessive, while more seasoned traders may appreciate the depth of information available. It really depends on your trading style and needs. In conclusion, BlackBox Stocks could be a great fit for serious traders who need real-time insights and are willing to invest in their trading education. However, if you're just starting out or prefer a simpler approach, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth considering, but do your research first.